Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super stunning and amazing ideas of macrame keyrings. I have uploaded a collection of macrame keyrings recently, and this time I have collected some more unique designs for you, and these designs are in mini size which can be used as bag tags as well. As you can see, most of these designs are in mini size, and for the previous video I have uploaded designs almost double of these sizes, which were uh, more prominent and visible for keyrings for big keys. So these designs are for smaller use for smaller keys, and you can use them as bag tags as well. Very attractive and gorgeous designs are included in this video, and I hope you're gonna love them all as well. So if you love these designing ideas, just give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and want more ideas videos like this, just press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of handmade products ideas related to wearable accessories of women and kids and related to home decoration products. So you will find huge collections and ideas videos of all types of handmade products, which are macrame work, crochet work, hand knitted projects ideas and crafting related ideas. And if you are interested in clay pottery ideas, do let me know in the comments as well, because recently I have uploaded one idea video of flower vases in different styles and different shapes of clay pottery, which you like as well. So I will upload more of different types of handmade products ideas on this channel. You can just drop your opinion in the comment box and I will fulfill your request. And regarding handmade products ideas videos, you can have any type of product, and for tutorial videos you will find crochet tutorial videos on my channel. Crochet tutorial videos of beginner friendly stitches patterns are available on my channel. You will see different types of square patterns and round patterns videos which can be used in huge crochet projects ideas, and you will find baby accessories tutorial videos available on my channel already. So just do let me know in the comments if you are interested in any specific other video which is currently not available on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.